Hi, on the spot product reviews here again, just looking at this heavy duty air compressor pressure switch controller that I've recently purchased to replace my old one on my old workshop compressor. I've installed it, had it a little while, but I haven't been able to install it until now. Yeah, it cost me $21 on Banggood, which $21 New Zealand, and you know, with a couple of bucks shipping, it's still well worth it compared to what these cost here in New Zealand. And the ones that we get here in New Zealand are pretty much made by the same people. So once I've installed it, I could have installed it any which way I liked, really, to be honest. I kind of regret putting it this way around, which is pretty much the way the previous one was set up, and that's mainly because I now realize that I can't really get in to the back where the screw is for the cover. So that's the only issue I have now that I've actually got it all back together, is the placement of the location screw for the actual dust cover and the outer cover. So yeah, I could have set it up another way so that that was more accessible, but now that it's in, I think we'll just start it up and see if it runs up to pressure properly. Okay. There you go, perfect, exactly on pressure. It's set correctly. I haven't actually had to do anything. Wow, that's good. Well worth it, definitely 100% top marks for this product. And well done Banggood once again.